The Google Pixel 7 series of phone has been announced, and as you know, it's not disappointed. Google surprisingly has the least phone launches in a year, launching just 3 phones. There will be the Pixel 7a, Pixel 7, Pixel 7 Pro. Anyway, this is the specs of it. The smaller phone is the same price of last year, $600, and it has the Pro is a better display, better telephoto camera, and you have to pay $900 for it. So let's take a look at the Pixel 7 Pro. Pixel 7 Pro has a sharp high refresh rate display with a big camera sensor, a new wide ultra wide telephoto combination, a distinctive look, security features, and promise of 5 years of updates. It runs on Samsung's 4nm processor, which is an improvement of the 5nm node of last year. It has the same 2 Cortex X1 plus 2 Cortex A76 and 4 Cortex A55 with a mild bump in clock speed. The GPU is a Mali G710 MC10, which promises a performance and efficiency increase over the G78 for graphics and around 35% boost for machine learning tasks. There's a new Tensor core and a new modem to boot. The next generation Tensor processing unit is able to run machine learning tasks 60% faster and 20% more efficiently. It is responsible for features like photo unblur, which is exclusive only to the Pixel 7 and 7 Pro. It can remove blur and noise from old photographs taken years ago from any phone. This phone comes with 12GB of RAM, and you can choose between 128, 256 and 512GB of storage. There is no SD card, and it comes with a single SIM and single eSIM option. This is the cameras. The main camera is a 50 megapixel Samsung sensor of last year. It has f1.85 lens with 82 field of view of degree. To capture more, there's a new 12 megapixel ultra wide camera which is 125.8 field of view. Last year was only 114, and you can use macro photos on this as it has an autofocus. The main camera has OIS and EIS. It can record 4K. You got a new selfie camera for both, which is the 10.8 megapixel and it's wider, around 92.8. The lens is fixed focus though. The pricing is around $600 for the Pixel 7, and Pixel 7 Pro starts at $900. The orders are already started.